Okay, today we are here in front of Big Ben, in front of Parliament, and down that side is Westminster Bridge. As you can see, buses going down there. So, in front of Parliament, I think this is called Parliament Square, and the statue there is of Churchill, the famous statue of Churchill. So behind of the backside of the park is Westminster Abbey. So I'm just going to cross the Parliament Street. Basically, it's called Parliament Street and Whitehall, I believe. So it takes us to the Trafalgar Square. Okay. So left side, Department for Digital Culture, Media and Sport. So this side is a bit busy. HM Revenue and Customs. So iconic telephone booth is here. People do take pictures with those. So left side is cabinet war rooms. If you want to visit cabinet war rooms, so you have to go left here. So just give you an idea. So basically it's next to Green Park, Buckingham Palace, etc. So this is the point where my backside is Parliament Street and in front of me is Whitehall. So there is a protest going on here. So guys, on my left side is the famous Downing Street where the Prime Minister of UK resides. So as you can see, this is famous Downing Street on Whitehall. What is going on here? Some sort of protest is going on. So about Ukraine, I believe.
There were so many Ukrainians who know somebody who was captured. There were so many Ukrainians fighting for their loved ones to be freed.
So this protest is in the support of Ukrainian. So they are demonstrating in support of prisoners of the war prisoners. So right now we are in front of Whitehall. The King's Mounted Bodyguard. So here everyone is stopping to see the guards.
Et quand toi tu fais ça,
Just want to give you an idea what is inside here.
Guys, can you move out of the way, please?
D'accord, c'est cool. Donc on aura plus de 17.
Stehen da die Pferdesport. No, but I don't think it's So you guys, I think we're better off going to the back.
Okay, Whitehall, back again. Okay, we are approaching Trafalgar Square now. I don't know how long my battery gonna be going, so I need to. So here we are Trafalgar Square now. So someday I'm gonna cover Trafalgar Square fully. Not today. I'm not sure about my battery. So Trafalgar Square is a big roundabout. So on my left side, it goes straight to the Buckingham Palace. It's called the Mall. So next to the left, if you go that way, it will take to the Piccadilly side, and this side I can go up to the Tottenham Court Road, and the right side we can go toward Aldwych, and this road here on the right is called Northumberland Avenue. It takes to the next to the river basically. Okay guys, so that was a tour of Parliament Street and Whitehall. So bring you another one soon. Thank you, take care, have a good day.